Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys the tutorial on how to mirror your smartphone onto your smart TV. But if you don't have a smart TV, that is fine. I'm going to show you another alternative way for you to connect it through HDMI. So let's go ahead and get it started. In order for you to mirror your smartphone onto your smart TV, you just need to pull down the menu or drag down the menu, and you're going to go look for Smart View. This is only applied to LG or Samsung smart TV. If you're a smart TV that's like has a like Roku or some kind of cheaper TLC brand or whatever, I don't think it's gonna work with that those kind of brand. So you're gonna go ahead and click on Smart View, and then once you click on Smart View, you will need to turn on your smart TV first, and then you will look for that TV. I'm gonna turn it on right now to show you guys real quick. So on my Samsung Smart TV, I'm gonna click on Source. Okay, and make sure you turn on the screen mirror. So now I try to sync in with your smartphone. So you wanna go to your smartphone and then do all this setting. Click on mirror screen. So it says connecting. So there you go. And then you can control your phone screen with the touch screen over here. So it shows you the aspect ratio and everything. You can change the aspect ratio. So it says full screen on phone or full screen on connected device. So if you put it like a landscape, and then that's what it shows. So you put a full screen on connected device. And see if there's any difference. Wow, it got bigger. So now you can do whatever application that you want. All right, and just mirror all your apps and everything on there. So for example, if you want to go to YouTube, whatever, you know. Let me try the NCS. And I'm going to put a landscape, and it's going to go to landscape. So as you can see, my speaker is muted from earlier. So let me see if I turn on. So I will need to turn on my speaker on my TV because I cannot control it on my phone. I can control it, but since my TV has a lowest volume setting, I cannot do anything to it. Okay? And that is the first method on how to connect it wirelessly. And I'm going to show you the second method. All right, the second method is to using this USB Type-C hub. It will convert this to HDMI or to the USB 3.0. And this one's also reads a memory card, SD card, and then a trans flash memory card as well. So this is the dongle right here, or the hub that I did unbox previously. It is pretty nice, and this is made out of aluminum casing, so it feels cold, But once you are using for a while, it tends to get hot. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. All you need to do is just connect this USB Type-C connector on the bottom of your phone. By the way, this will convert your Note 9, your Samsung S10 Plus, S10, S10e. Once I plug this one in, it acts as a Samsung DeX. So let's go ahead and show you guys real quick. And there are some menu that you need to go select. There are two options. Either mirror your smartphone, or you can use as a Samsung DeX. So let me show you guys so you guys get an idea what am I talking about. And here is your HDMI connected, and we're going to connect this to the TV. All right, so I'm going to show you the second method is to unplug your HDMI cable and then connect that to your USB Type-C hub. So let's go ahead and get this started. So this is the dongle that I got. I'm going to connect it now. And this is the AT&T Genie box. And then you're going to connect this end to your bottom of your phone. So once, if your phone is, if your TV is on, it will automatically picks up. So let me move the camera. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to unplug it and plug it back so you can get an idea what's going to look like on TV. So I'm going to turn on the TV right now. And now I'm going to plug in the phone. 1, 2, 3. So your phone should get an alert as well. And you could also use your phone as a touch device, like a mouse pad or pointing device. I'm gonna switch the camera over there so you can see it. Okay, once you are connecting with your smartphone, okay, there are two options. One is using the Samsung DeX right now, and you could drop down the menu. So once the Samsung DeX is showing on your monitor or your TV, you can use this Samsung DeX under my secure Wi-Fi. It says Samsung DeX, use your phone as a touchpad. So you're going to click over here. So now you can move your mouse cursor around, either portrait mode or the landscape mode. You gotta rotate the landscape, then you gotta rotate your screen on your smartphone. So as you can see, the rotation is landscape right now. Okay, and we can rotate to portrait mode again, and as you can see, the screen turns. So right now, if you decide to mirror your smartphone onto your TV or your monitor. Again, you gotta drop down the menu again, and you're gonna look for Samsung DeX. You see like a square with like a hand touching it. That is to use your phone as a touchpad. So let's go ahead and do that. Hit that. So now you see a box like this, and you want to focus on the screen, on the TV screen. You see the mouse cursor right there in the middle. I need to close the curtain, and I can move around the cursor. Okay, and if I rotate the smartphone this way, and as you can see, it's rotate a landscape. You see the right hand corner right here. So when I rotate this icon, is gonna go up there. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but it's right there. Okay. Now let me close the blind so you guys can see it better on the TV. All right, so this is a completely darkness right now. Let's see. So there's a cursor right there. I'm not sure if you can see it. I'm gonna move around the blue area. See right there on the upper right hand corner. I'm moving my mouse cursor with the phone. Okay. So with that USB hub, you could connect like a wireless keyboard or wireless mouse, or if you have a USB type A mouse or keyboard, you could connect it to that, so you don't need to use your phone to navigate. And I'm going to open internet on the upper left hand corner. On the upper left hand corner, it says my file, internet, email, gallery, and then a setting. If I double click on my phone, it's going to open all the settings. And good thing about this, you could scroll up and down with the two finger, just like the gesture on the MacBook. And then if you want to display, you can double click it and then go setting all the brightness and everything over there. So I'm going to close this, and then I'm going to go to internet, double click it. I'm going to go to NCS, so just going to give me an idea. Oh, I got to click on the keyboard on the lower right hand corner right here. Gonna click on keyboard. So if you don't have an external keyboard, you could hit that keyboard on the lower right hand side next to the speaker icon. And then once you hit that, you could type in on your phone. And oops, I'm going to navigate again, search, and then type in NCS, and then go search. All right, let me go to search for faded. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on it.
With LinkedIn ProFinder, I'm able to find a graphic designer.
So the only problem with this adapter, I tested on my Samsung S8 Plus, and with the S8 Plus, your audio automatically goes directly to your speaker on your TV. So somehow with the Samsung S10 Plus, you will need to sync the speaker with your Bluetooth, or either with the Bluetooth or with your 3.5mm jack. Okay, that's the only bad thing about this one. But it allows you to do everything on the monitor, or if you want to hook on with your computer monitor with the HDMI, you could also do that with this hub. Okay, if you guys don't want this Samsung DeX, you could also mirror your phone. So I'm going to show you guys that method. So you want to go back to your home screen and drop down your menu. You need to tap on the blue. It shows or the drop down menu right here next to the Samsung DeX. And then you're going to select the second choice, which is on the bottom using Samsung DeX. So I click on that. And now it's mirroring your phone onto your monitor or your TV. Okay? So since we're doing mirroring, I'm going to do the U2, see if the sound come up from here. Oh. So you want to zoom in? Wow, full screen, yo. Gonna pause it. Alright, I just found out if you mirror your phone, then the audio will play on your TV, okay? So if you have a monitor that's supporting a speaker, if you are in the mirror mode, they will allow you to have a sound coming out of your device, which is a TV or like a computer monitor. But if you are using a Samsung DeX, you cannot have a sound coming out directly from your TV, okay? Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in your comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.